Make money online in Africa. Maybe you're coming from Nigeria, you're coming from South Africa, Uganda. You can actually make money online by doing actually surveys from this platform. And this platform is called Free Cash. Okay. Now you can every survey you can earn up to like $1.3. The last time I did a survey was on 17th September. And one survey actually earned me like 1.37, just as you see here in the notification. Okay. Now, some of them may pay you more, and it's what I can say. It's unrealistic to think that every day you can do a survey, but you kind of have to check actually every day if there's a survey that you can do. Okay, just as you see here today, they're saying like there are no surveys available. But once in a while they come. Okay, and these for me, I usually rarely do them. I usually see them, but it's not really my thing. But the last time I tried to do a survey, I actually got $1.37, and this money was paid to me right away in my dashboard. And if you have earned enough, I think you can cash out for like something like $5 from this platform. So if you're kind of a person who is going to do surveys only, you're looking at doing like surveys, like 5 surveys, and then you cash out. Okay. I realized actually this survey was coming from a platform called Sagapol. And Sagapol, I've ever reviewed it on my YouTube as one of the legit platforms that really pay money in Africa. So if you're kind of a person who is actually a fan of apps, you can try to check out these guys. They're kind of good and they pay money. So when I was answering this survey, I realized actually it was coming from Sagapol. Okay, I think they're in touch with maybe Free Cash, I don't know, but so that's why I actually realized that the survey was coming from Free Cash. So if you're kind of a person who is fan of doing surveys, you can try them here. And you make money online. These guys won't really ask you any money to withdraw your money. They will actually, once you cash out your money will be actually paid to you. Okay. If you're kind of interested in videos like this, you can subscribe. I usually do videos about how you can make money online in Uganda, Africa, Nigeria, around the world, So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.